What's going on, guys? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube or somewhere else about the best web hosting in 2021 and you're wondering which way to go. Choosing the right web hosting provider is a crucial step in your online journey. If you decide purely on the price, you might end up with a low performance and you will lose on your customers way more than you save on the web hosting. On the other hand, if you're just starting out, choosing a high-end web hosting might end up in unnecessary costs for tools and plugins you won't need. Therefore, it all depends on what you're looking for. So in this video, we are going to determine the best web hosting in 2021 for speed, best pricing, most user-friendly and high-performance provider, as well as the best e-commerce option. So if you're interested in any of them, stay tuned. Just a quick note, I will leave a direct link to the best available offer to all of them in the description below, together with any promotions or discount codes for you to use and get better prices. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now the first thing we are going to talk about is speed. There is nothing better than a fast loading web page. In fact, studies show that users expect a page to load quickly and that slower page load times can lead to a significant drop in revenue. So if you want your website to load fast, here comes A2 Hosting into the game. A2 Hosting is one of the most well-established web hosting providers out there. They got pretty impressive set of awards, ranging from fastest web hosting, most reliable one, and also the best overall hosting. What makes them so special is that they are focused on making your website as fast as possible. A2 Hosting is using some of the best features and tools to make a website load faster, such as SSD drives, latest PHP versions, as well as their own turbo servers designed to get the most out of your servers. They can handle 9 times more traffic and are to be 20 times faster than standard ones. They are using also NVMe systems that help the SSD drives to get the best performance out of them. Most of their users come to them exactly because of these speed features. Now I have done a complete and detailed review on A2 Hosting, so if you are interested to learn more, click over here. Now let's be honest, most of us want to save as much money as possible. However, we also want a decent performance in return. But is that even possible? Well, that's where our next provider comes in, Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the cheapest web hosting providers you will ever come across. You can get a web hosting as low as 99 cents per month. But is that outcome worth it? You might be surprised, but kind of yes. You are getting a great set of standard features, all including SSD drives, SSL certificate, weekly backups, and free website migration. On top of that, Cloudflare CDN is in the package, and you can choose a data center from 7 different locations. Apart from that, the intuitive Hostinger's own control panel is easy to use and navigate in, which makes it a perfect choice for somebody who's starting out on their online journey. If you can't wait to learn more about Hostinger, then watch my full Hostinger review up here. Now, if you're the type of person that wants to have the newest tools and technology at their disposal, ensuring great performance as well as support, and is willing to pay a bit extra to get it, then our next provider might be the one for you. SiteGround is one of the best and most well-established providers in the game. Their main focus is on getting you the best tools and technology. They are well known for their innovation strategies and implementing new systems among the first ones. SiteGround's platform is powered by Google Cloud, which ensures powerful and technically superior hosting service. This is also one of the reasons why SiteGround can guarantee 99.99% of uptime, while most competitors have 99.9% of uptime guarantee. Apart from that, we're getting daily backups, free SSL certifications, as well as free Cloudflare CDN. SiteGround maintain a specialized security team to ensure your website is safe and sound from any security threats. So if you're interested in this feature-packed beast and want to see my full review of it, watch this video over here. Our last piece on the list is the e-commerce option, and for that we're going to go in a bit of a different direction. You see, most of our previous providers are well known for shared hosting, which means you are sharing the web resources with other people. That is all good as for websites and blogs, but with an e-commerce business you want to have an in-depth security features to ensure everything is fine. And for that, cloud hosting from Cloudways comes into play. But why Cloudways when there is lots of others? Well, firstly, Cloudways is a cloud hosting reseller, which means you are getting servers from big cloud hosting companies bundled up with Cloudways' interface and support. This is important as cloud servers do not have any of that. Now, Cloudways have partnered up with some big names in the cloud hosting world, meaning that you can choose from 5 different cloud hosting platforms and more than 65 data centers all over the world. Cloudways' control panel is very easy to use and navigate in system. It is suitable for both beginners and pros. The support from Cloudways is, however, average, as they mostly only guide you how to do the things. Nevertheless, a great thing about Cloudways is that you can get the power of cloud hosting for as low as $10 a month. Cloudways also offers a pay-as-you-go structure, which means you don't pay for years in advance, but rather for what you are actually using. Again, I have done a complete Cloudways review, so if you're dying to watch it, click over here. So this is my review of the best web hosting in 2021 from 4 different angles. I hope I covered all of your questions and inquiries, but if not, let me know in the comment section. All of these web hosting providers that we've covered today are specialized in their respective fields. Therefore, it is up to you to determine which aspect is the most important for your particular online project. If you are interested in any of the web hosting providers we covered today, I will leave direct links to their best available offers together with any promotional codes or discounts, as well as links to my full reviews in the description below, so feel free to check them out. So this is it, guys. If you liked the video, give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I post a new content. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.